Good morning, guys. All those random things off Thingiverse. A ball in a cube. Now, I wanted to print that with this clear yellowy stuff, but it's failed 2 times already, so I gave up and printed it with my purple instead. Well, that looks like it's failed a 3rd time. The bottom of the ball isn't nice and smooth. In fact, it's horrible. Oh, that's a shame. It might be the level of infill I'm using, or it might be the setting for the support layer, but whatever it is, that has failed. That's a shame. It looked like it had succeeded on the top, but when I turned it over, a lump of it fell off. Oh, that's a shame. I'll have to redo the file and change the settings for the infill, I think. And probably the settings for the support layers as well, because I had turned the support layer settings down. Although that looks okay, but it seems to have, well, it's failed, so we'll have to have another go. Just for reference, that's the other 2 fails. I might resize it, make it a bit bigger at the same time. There we are, the finished article. Okay, well, I need to work on it a little bit just to tidy it up and well, see if it's okay. But for the purpose of the what we call it, splicing the PLA, joining the short bits, we can see that has worked, and it's gone through the printer with no trouble. Well, I think we've had success, more or less. I can see a few stringy bits on there. That was the first attempt, and it looks like it got most of the way there before it failed. That was the second attempt, failed almost immediately. That was the third attempt, which I thought had been a success till I turned it over and realised the bottom had failed. So this one I printed with a raft. I also made it slightly bigger, 50% bigger. You'll also notice this is different coloured stuff because I took the opportunity to try splicing different coloured filament together. That'll be a separate video. I'll put a link in the video description to that one. So let's have a look. Peel that off. Bottom looks a bit messy. We've got a little bit of pink on there, but it is at least a complete ball. Oh, I think I'd set the infill to just 5% on there, or maybe even 10%, whereas it's 20% on here. So that may have helped. Just around the top of these apertures, circles, that struggled because it's printing with no support there. And the bottom doesn't look very pretty. On the other hand, I am rather pleased with the spliced filament, that we have got a band in our ball so we can see as we turn it around. It gives us a bit of reference. So yeah, that was just a little novelty to print off of Thingiverse, and it's taken me a ridiculous amount of time. It's all about learning the different settings on your printer. I'll take a file to that or something just to clean it up a bit. So yeah, there we are, another random item off Thingiverse, which took far too long to print. I'm not blaming the design at all, that's just me getting the settings right for the printer. Because I'm trying out, I've got a whole load of short lengths, 5 meter lengths of filament I picked up cheap, all different colours. I thought this would look nice in this translucent yellow, but that failed. The purple failed, but the pink and green succeeded. Just about. Time for a thumbnail. That'll do. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.